One brief video. Let me try to put the light on. This is Neshko Smeshko, who has no bones now, and found from somewhere this yogurt box because he's on a diet. He's not allowed to eat those things, and of course that he wants them. Sneško, daj mamu da vidimo dupicu. Daj da vidim izglednicu dupi. I daj mami. He will stay still if I give him the box. He got another one. Sneško. This is our three-legged beautiful ham who is having a rough time now, and he's living pride. This is Ina Hishka Mishka. My mom, the light is annoying her. She'll be in a poster soon in Austria. You know, mom, her beard is covered with yogurt. And over there is Matei, who didn't have a chance to travel with this transport now. We didn't raise the money, but luckily another one appeared. And not for Christmas, but for New Year, he will be home. Unfortunately, I cannot show you how nicely his wound is healed, because you see what he's doing. That's why it was so urgent. He had to go to his foster in UK, so they to work with him. Because yes, if I drop the phone and I spend about half an hour, he will come and he will enjoy cuddles, but he's not coming on his own yet. Matei, hello mom. Hello Mateici. Mateici, hello maminci. No. So if someone would love to have a pup, which is gross, not this pup. This pup already has finally a home. I mean this pup. In the dark you cannot see, but she's stunning black girl. She's still a puppy. Ina, I call her Hishka because she's like a copy of Hisho. Inela, mom. She doesn't like the light, otherwise she's coming to put cuddles. Come, Adi mama, не бойся от светлинката, не бойся, baby. Inka. No, the light is so annoying. It's the first time for her to see it. Puhani, kako bi mom? Kako puhanci? So I'll pick her up with me to stay at the transport, and we'll continue with the strays dinner. This yogurt is so nice. It's so nice. Ina, mom, pagkasi mo sunod. Ina, ini. She's so funny. Ah, now the light is not scary anymore. He's not scary anymore. Inka. Inka bubulinka.